Best fruits for liver and kidney health. Want to know how you can take better care of the health of your liver and kidneys? First of all, the most important thing is that you lead a healthy lifestyle. Following a smart diet that limits your salt and fat intake is an essential component of that. Getting regular exercise, quitting smoking, and managing your emotions are additional factors that you need to keep in mind. But nature also offers a little assistance for your liver and kidney health that you can't do without fruits. In today's article we'll find out what the best fruits are to help us take care of our liver and kidneys. So keep reading. 1. Watermelon. Watermelon. Who doesn't love watermelon? It's that light, delicious fruit that's so refreshing in the summertime and mixes nicely with other juices. It can even be added to lunches and dinners. Have you ever tried making a salad with spinach, cheese, nuts, watermelon, and mint? It's divine. But let's examine why watermelon is especially good for your liver and kidney health. Watermelon is one of the best fruits for cleansing the kidneys and stimulating proper liver function, thanks to its diuretic properties and ability to detox the body. The juice from watermelon is the healthiest way to consume it because it's more quickly absorbed into the tissues and bloodstream, which further stimulates good kidney function. Always choose fresh watermelon. If your fruit is overripe, it can cause more problems than benefits. 2. Cranberries. The best way to consume cranberries is through pure juice. Aside from being delicious, cranberry juice optimizes liver, kidney, and bladder function. Here are some of the amazing benefits of cranberries. Cranberries are a natural antioxidant, and one of the best fruits you can find for natural detox. They help remove toxins, cleanse the body and bloodstream, and protect you from the effects of free radicals. One of the most well-known properties of cranberries is their ability to keep bacteria from adhering to the walls of the bladder. Believe it or not, that helps care for your entire gastrointestinal system. 3. Lemon. Lemons and lemon juice could be some of the best natural and medicinal things you can consume on a daily basis. We talk a lot in this blog about the benefits of drinking lemon water on an empty stomach, but you should know that drinking lemon juice and water on an empty stomach is also an excellent way to care for the health of your liver and kidneys. Lemons are a natural detox agent that helps treat fatty liver disease, for example. Rich in vitamins and minerals, lemons help optimize and strengthen the functions of the liver and kidneys. Another benefit of lemons is that they help break down food once it reaches the stomach. In that way, they help promote good digestion. 4. Apples. Green apples, red apples. Don't pick any kind you want. Choose your favorite variety or just pick the best looking ones, because they're all equally good at caring for your liver and kidneys while also protecting your heart health. Why not include a few slices of apple in your breakfast today? Apples are a great option, but make sure you also eat the peel. That's the best part. Apples, in addition to helping control levels of bad cholesterol and triglyceride levels in the bloodstream, also stimulate proper kidney function and help detox the liver. You should ideally consume an apple a day for the greatest benefit. Just make sure to wash it well, and always eat the peel. 5. Red grapes. Always choose the darkest color grapes. Why? They're more rich in antioxidants and other medicinal properties than white grapes. Red grapes are a powerful diuretic that help cleanse the kidneys and enhance the function of the liver. As you probably already know, they're full of antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals, in addition to promoting the elimination of toxins and other harmful waste products from the body. Red grapes have a very high water content, nearly 80%. That makes them suitable for daily consumption, and just like apples you should always eat them with the skin on because a lot of the benefits come from this part of the fruit. You can enjoy grapes so many different ways, with breakfast in your bowl of oatmeal or plain Greek yogurt, or added to a delicious salad made with spinach, nuts, cheese, and even a little watermelon if you like. If you're wondering now whether drinking a glass of red wine a day can also be good for your liver and kidneys, the answer is yes. The benefits of red wine are derived from resveratrol, a powerful antioxidant that's found in red grapes and that, according to various studies, is excellent for treating fatty liver disease. Just remember to limit yourself to 1 glass a day. Everything in moderation.